Hi students, in IIT Foundation and Olympiad questions, 29th problem is find the largest number that divides 678, 770 and 982, leaving the remainders 3, 5 and 7 respectively. In this problem, we have to find HCF of these numbers, 3 numbers. To find the largest number, we have to subtract 3 from 678, 5 from 770 and 7 from 982. Then we have to find HCF of 3 numbers so that we will get required largest number that divides all those numbers. To find required number, to find required number which is largest, first what I have to do? I have to subtracting 3 from 678 minus 3 is equal to 675. Next what is another number? 770 minus 5, you will get 765. Next we have to subtract 7 from 982. 982 minus 7, you will get 975. We have to find HCF of these numbers. First, prime factorization of 675. Prime factorization of 675. First I will take 675. 675 I will do with 5. 5 ones are 5. 17. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Again we will do with 5. 5 2s are 10. 35. 5 7s are 35. Again with 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 3 into 3 9. 3 3s are 9. I will write here 675 can be written as 5 square, 3 cube into 5 square. 3 cube into 5 square. Next, prime factorization of 765. 765. Since the last digit is 5, we can divide with 5. 5 ones are 5. 26. 5 5s are 3s are 5 ones are 5. 26. 5 5s are 25. 15. 5 3s are 15. Again I will do with 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are. I can do with 17 or 3. I will do with 3. 3 17s are 51. 3 1s are 3, 21. 3 7s are 21. Like that. Now I will take 765 can be written as 3 square. First I will take 3. 3 square into 5 into 17. Next I will do 975. 975. Since the last digit is 5, I will divide with 5. 5 ones are 5, 47. 5 9s are 45. 5 5s are 25. Again we can do with 5. 5 3s are 15. 45. 5 9s are 45. Next 39 is there. You can do with 13 3s are 39. Means 3 13 times. Now I will write 975. How many? Only one 3 is there. 3 into How many 5s are there? 5 square into 13. What is HCF? Highest common factor. Product with the smallest power of each common prime factor of given numbers. It should be common and smallest one. What is the smallest power among these threes? 3 into. What is the smallest power among 5s? 5 into. 17 is not common in these numbers. 13 also not common in these numbers. 3 5s are. Required number is 15. That is the largest number that divides 678, 770 and 982, leaving the remainders 3, 5, 7 respectively. We can verify that also. Now required number is 15. Let us check whether our answer is true or false. Now verification. By division method we will verify whether our answer is true or false. Required largest number is 15 that divides 678, 770 and 982, leaving the remainders 3, 5 and 7 respectively. We will verify using division method. See, first you take these two numbers, divide 765 by 675. One time it will go 675, subtracting 675 from 765, 0, 16 minus 7, 9. Now dividing 675 with 90, 675. Now how many times it will go? 9 sevens are. 7 into 0, 7. This is, you will get 63. 5 minus 0, 5, and you will get 45. Not get remainder as 0. You have to do division till the remainder is 0. You take 90, 45 two times, you will get 90. Remainder is 0. What is the HCF of? HCF of 675 and 765 is 45. Again we have to do division with 45 and 975. You will get HCF of these three numbers. You take 45, divide 975 with 45. See, 2 times you will get 90, 7 you will get 5, 45, one time it will go, you will get 45, 75 minus 45 you will get 30. Again you, as the remainder is not 0, you are not getting remainder as 0, again you have to divide 45 with 30. 30 one time it will go 30, you are getting 50. Again remainder is not 0, again you have to apply Euclid's division lemma. 30. 15 two times 30. Yes, you got 0 as the remainder. Therefore, 15 is the HCF of these three numbers. What is the 30th problem? Last problem in IIT Foundation and Olympiad questions. Show that one and only one out of n, n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is any positive integer. I want to make you understand. To make you understand, I will take one example. If n is equal to 9, it is divisible by 3. If you add 2 to it, n plus 2 you take, 9 plus 2 you take, 11. It is not divisible by 3. If you take n plus 4, if you add 4 to 9, if you add 4 to 9, you will get 13. It is not divisible by 3. Only n is equal to 9 is divisible by 3, as one and only one out of n, n plus 2 and n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Only n, if you take n is equal to 3 or 9 or which is divisible by 3, it is not divisible by n plus 2 and n plus 4. Now First I will divide a number n with 3. 3. I will divide a positive number n with 3. Quotient is q and remainder is r. As it can be written as, what is Euclid's division lemma? N is equal, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This remainder must be greater than or equal to 0 and less than the divisor 3. And now we have to take, now you take n is equal to 3q plus r you take. Now n r should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than 3. First you substitute r is equal to 0 in this equation. It becomes n is equal to 3q plus r is equal to 0. You will get n is equal to 3q. N 3q is divisible by 3. And 3q is means n is divisible by 3. You take r is equal to 1. Second case, you take r is equal to 1, you take. Substitute r is equal to 1 in n is equal to 3q plus r. 3q plus r. 3q plus what is the value of r? 1. You will get n is equal to 3q plus 1. N is equal to 3q is divisible by 3. N is equal to 3q plus 1 is not divisible by 3. Is not divisible by 3. If you take n plus 2 as it is divisible by 3, n plus 2 you take, n plus 2. What is n here? 3q plus 1 plus 2 means 3q plus 3. You will get, you take 3 common, you will get q plus 1 as n plus 2 is divisible by 3. But when r is equal to 1, it is not divisible by 3. If you take n plus 2, it is divisible by 3. Therefore, now we got only n is divisible by 3. Next you take r is equal to 2, whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Now you take r is equal to 2. Substitute r is equal to 2 in n is equal to 3q plus r is equal to n is equal to 3q plus r is equal to 2. It is not divisible by 3. Is not divisible. It is not divisible by 3. Now you take n plus 4 you take. It is divisible by 3. N plus 4. N plus 4 means 3q plus 2 plus this is n plus 4 you take. 3q plus 6. You take 3 common, q plus 2 s is divisible by 3 as only n out of n plus 2 and n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Only n is divisible by 3. When r is equal to 0, only it is divisible by 3. Next part D will be practice questions and objective type questions from my book. From my book written by me, A Conceptual Approach in Learning Mathematics for class 10th in English medium. It will be useful to CBSE syllabus and also state boards. Practice questions. Practice the questions and also objective type questions with answers. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.